Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm making my version of eggy bread. Some people call it French toast. I made a bread and butter pudding yesterday and it used 3 egg yolks. So rather than wasting the whites, I'm going to make some eggy bread. I've added another egg and a slosh of milk onto this plate so I can dip everything in it. In this pan I've got some butter melting. You could use oil, it's up to you. So I've just got some bread lined up here. Any bread will do, whatever you want. Some people use fancy bread like brioche and stuff like that. I'm just using regular old sliced bread. So I've coated it both sides multiple times and in it goes. I'm going to grab some kitchen roll because my hands are all mucky. Should have done that at first, shouldn't I? So I'm just going to let it sizzle for a minute or two. I've got a clean plate here for it to go on, and obviously my spatula. This is a great way of using up eggs maybe that are just about to go off, or like I've done, you've used the yolks for another recipe and you think, well, rather than wasting them, I'm going to use them up. So there you go. Nice and easy eggy bread, or as posh people say, French toast. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.